In question number 1, it has been asked that the curve C has equation y equals to 1 by 8 x cubed minus 24 by root over x plus 1. In 1a, you have been asked that find dy by dx, giving the answer in its simplest form. In 1b, it has been asked that the point P has coordinates 4, minus 3, which lies on C. Find the equation of the tangent to C at the point P. Write your answer in the form y equals to mx plus c, where m and c are constants to be found. So in the solution of 1a, y equals to 1 by 8x cubed minus 24 by root x plus 1. If we just differentiate it, it will be 3 by 8x, 3 minus 1 plus 12x. And root over x, we can write it as x to the power minus 1 by 2. And if we 24 into minus 24 into minus 1 by 2, which comes plus 12. So plus 12x to the power minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So the main answer would be dy by dx equals to 3 by 8x squared plus 12x to the power minus 3 by 2. In 1b, it has been given that P has coordinates 4, minus 3, which lies on C. So when x equals to 4, at point P, dy by dx will be 3 by 8 into 4 whole square plus 12 into 4 to the power minus 3 by 2. So dy by dx would be equals to 15 by 2. Equation of tangent to C at point P. The equation form, we'll use the equation formula here. Y2 minus y1 equals to m into x2 minus x1. So at P, we know the coordinates is 4, minus 3. So use that y minus 3 equals to the gradient is for tangent 15 by 2 into x minus 4. So y plus 3 equals to 15 by 2x minus 30. So the y value would be y equals to 15 by 2x minus 30 minus 3, which is minus 33. And you need to state the m and c constants at the final answer. M equals to 15 by 2, c equals to minus 33. So that's the main answer. Okay. Here's the entire solution of number 1. You may take a screenshot for your own help. Okay, then move to number 2. In number 2a, it has been asked to simplify 1 divided by 4 minus 2 root 2, giving your answer in the form a plus b root 2, where a and b are rational numbers. So a and b must be rational numbers. So the solution is 1 divided by 4 minus 2 root 2 should be multiplied with 4 plus 2 root 2 divided by 4 plus 2 root 2. 4 plus 2 root 2 divided by 4 minus 2 root 2 into 4 plus 2 root 2. We know a formula a minus b, a plus b equals to a square minus b square. 4 square minus 2 root 2 whole square. So the answer would be 4 plus 2 root 2, 16 minus 8. 2 plus root 2 by 4. 2 by 4 can be written as 1 by 2 and 1 by 4 into root 2. And this is the final answer state. Okay. At number B, hence or otherwise, solve the equation 4x equals to 2 root x plus 20 root 2, giving your answer in the form p plus q root 2, where p and q are rational numbers. So 4x equals to 2 root x plus 20 root 2. It's already given in the question. 4x will take 2 root 2x into the left-hand side. 4x minus 2 root x minus 20 root 2 equals to 0. X into 4 minus 2 root 2 equals to 20 root 2. X equals to 20 root 2 divided by 4 minus 2 root 2. So we can just multiply here with 4 plus 2 root 2 into 4 plus 2 root 2. And a minus b, a plus b equals to a square minus b square. 80 root 2 plus 80. And the x value would be 10 plus 10 root 2 at the final state. And that's the answer. And ten plus 10 root 2 is the final answer in 2B. Okay, then let's move on to question number 3. It has been asked that figure 1 shows the plan of a garden. The marked angles are right angles. The 6 edges are straight lines. The lengths shown in the diagram are given in meters. Given that the perimeter of the garden is greater than 29 meter, show that x is greater than 1.5 meter. And in 3B, we have been asked to, given also that the area of the garden is less than 72 meters square, form and solve a quadratic inequality in x. In number C, hence state the range of possible values of x. So in question 3A, it has been given that given that the perimeter of the garden is greater than 29 meters, show that x is greater than 1.5 meter. The 6 edges over here are straight lines. The lengths shown in the diagram are given in meters. So the length unit is over here is meters. So we can just write like this. Perimeter of the garden is greater than 29 meter. This is a rectangle. So we can just find the area, the perimeter of it. 6x minus 2 plus 5x plus 2x minus 1 plus 2x plus 4x minus 1 plus 3x. You just need to add up all the sides for finding out the perimeter of the garden in question number 3A, which is 22x minus 4 greater than 29, 22x greater than 33, x would be greater than 3 by 2, x is greater than 1.5 meters shown. So the final answer would be x is greater than 1.5 meter. Given also that the area of the garden is less than 72 meters square, form and solve a quadratic inequality in x. So over here, it has been mentioned that the area of the garden is less than 72 meters square. So the area of the garden would be less than 72 meters square. 2x minus 1 into 2x plus 6x minus 2 into 3x less than 72. You need to form a quadratic equation like this. 22x square minus 8x minus 72 less than 0. So the x value over here, you can use minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula. Minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a minus b plus b. Then either x equals to 2 or x equals to minus 18 by 11. As over here, it is less than sign. So you need to write in this format, minus 18 by 11 less than x less than 2. If it was greater than sign, then you need to write in a different format in the final answer. And in number C, it has been asked to state the range of possible values of x. The range of possible values of x would be, you can just use a number line like this. In 1A, we had the answer x is greater than 1.5. In 3B and 3A, sorry, 3A, x is greater than 1.5 meter, and 3B, it has been given that uh, x is equals to minus 18 by 11 and less than equals to x less than 2. So the final answer in this 3C would be 1.5 less than x less than 2. This is the final answer state for 3C. You can just take a screenshot over here for your own help. This is 3A. This is 3B. This is the answer of 3B and 3C in May 2019 paper. Now let's move on to question number 4. In question number 4, it had been asked that integrate 4x squared plus 1 divided by 2 root x dx, giving the answer in its simplest form. So over here, we just need to write the question at first. Integrate 4x squared plus 1 divided by 2 root x dx. In pure maths 1, you should be aware of this thing that at first, you should write the question at first. If you don't write the question at the first line, probably they may cut 1 marks over here. I'm not sure about it though. But in many mark schemes, you can see like that they have mentioned the question at first. For that thing, they have given like 1 mark. So the integration would be 2x to the power 3 by 2, 4x squared divided by 4x squared plus 1 divided by 2 root x. Root over x can be written as x to the power 1 by 2. So 2 minus 1 by 2, which comes 3 by 2. And 4 by 2 comes 2. So 2x to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 x to the power root of 1 by 2. If we take that on the upper side, on the numerator side, it will be x to the power minus 1 by 2 into dx. So the integration would be 2x to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 by 2 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 x to the power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 and mention the c at the end. If you don't mention the c, they may cut 1 marks in this question. So 4 by 5 x to the power 5 by 2 plus x to the power 1 by 2 plus c. You need to write the final answer obviously in this state. If you don't write the c, you may not get 1 mark in this question. So you need to be aware of that. Okay. Let's move on to question number 5. In question number 5, it had been asked that find using algebra all the real solutions of 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 35x equals to 0. 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 35x equals to 0. Two x cubed plus 3x squared minus 35x equals to 0. X, you can just take the x outside, take x as common, into 2x squared plus 3x minus 35 equals to 0. X into 2x squared plus 10x minus 7x minus 35 equals to 0. X into 2x minus 7 into x plus 5 equals to 0. X equals to 7, x equals to 0, x equals to 7 by 2, x equals to minus 5. These are all the real solutions. And in number B, hence find all the real solutions of 2 into y minus 5 to the power probably 6 plus 3y minus 5 to the power 4 minus 35y minus 5 whole square. So over here, we can take let y minus 5 whole square be x. So if y minus 5 whole square is x, so y minus 5 to the power 6 will be 2x cube. And y minus 5 whole cube would be 3x square minus 35x equals to 0. So we had already solved this format question in the previous one. So the x value we can just take from question number 1a to 1b. So x equals to 0, x equals to 7 by 2, x equals to minus 5. Y minus 5 whole square equals to minus 5. It's not applicable. You can just write over here n hashtag a, n or slash a over like that. Y minus 5 whole square equals to 0. So y will be equals to 5. Y minus 5 whole square equals to 7 by 2. Y equals to 5 plus minus root over 7 by 2. So the real solutions are y equals to 5, y equals to 5 plus root over 14 by 2, y equals to 5 minus root over 14 by 2. These are all the real solutions in this answer. You may take a screenshot for your own help. Yeah. So let's move on to question number 6. The line with equation y equals to 4x plus c, where c is a constant, meets the curve with equation y equals to x into x minus 3 at only one point. Find the value of c, and in B, hence find the coordinates of the point of intersection. Y equals to 4x plus c, y equals to x into x minus 3, the two equations given in the question. At meeting point, 4x plus c equals to x into x minus 3. 4x plus c equals to x square minus 3x. X square minus 3x minus 4x minus c equals to 0. X square minus 7x minus c equals to 0. For meeting at one point, we can use this. B square minus 4ac equals to 0. Minus 7 square minus 4 into 1 into minus c equals to 0. 49 plus 4c equals to 0. 4c equals to 49 will be minus 49. So c equals to minus 49 by 4. At B, one point of intersection, 4x plus c equals to x minus 3, x into x minus 3. 4x square minus 20x plus x plus 49 equals to 0. If we use the equation again, minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a, then either x equals to 7 by 2 or x equals to 7 by 2, both are same. So when x equals to 7 by 2, y equals to 7 by 4. So the coordinates in this point of intersection will be 7 by 2, comma 7 by 4. That's it. This is 6A, 6B. And this is the final part of 6B. Okay. Let's move on to question number 7 then. In question number 7, it's a radian measures math. It's been given a radian measures math. Where it has been mentioned that the shape ABCDA consists of a sector ABCOA of a circle center O joined by triangle AOD as shown in figure 2. The point D lies on OC, and the radius of the circle is 6 centimeter, length AD is 5 centimeter, and angle AOD is 0.7 radians. Find the area of the sector ABCOA, giving your answer to one decimal place. In B, given angle AOD is obtuse. Find the size of angle ADO, giving your answer to 3 decimal places. And hence, in number C, hence find the perimeter of the shape ABCDA, giving your answer to one decimal place. In 7A, the solution would be angle DOA equals to 2 pi minus 0.7, which would be around 5.583 rad. Area of sector ABCOA, we can use the formula half r squared theta. So here it is given the radius is 6 centimeter, and angle DOA, we know it already by 2 pi minus 0.7, which is 5.583. So the area of the sector would be 100.5 centimeters square. That's the final answer for 7A. In 7B, uh, sine 0.7 by 5 equals to sine angle ADO by 6. 5 sine ADO, angle ADO equals to 6 into sine 0.7, angle ADO equals to 0.773 radians. For obtuse angle, angle ADO would be pi minus 0.773. Angle ADO, the final answer is 2.368. And be careful to mention the answer in 3 decimal places in question number B. 7C, angle DAO equals to pi minus 0.7 plus 2.368, which is 0.07 rad. Cos angle 0.07 equals to, we are using the formula B 6 square plus 5 square minus DO square, 2 into 6 into 5, 61 minus DO square equals 59.85. OD equals to 1.07 centimeter. CD will be 6 minus 1.07, which is 4.93 centimeter. Perimeter will be 4.93 plus 5 plus 5.583 into 6, 43.4 centimeter is the final perimeter of the answer. You can take a screenshot here. Okay, let's move on to question number 8. In question number 8, it has been asked that the car C with equation y equals to x, comma x is greater than 0 passes through the point P equals to 4, comma 1. Given that fx equals to 4 root x minus 2 minus 8 by 3x square, find the equation of the normal to C at P. Write your answer in the form ax plus by plus c equals to 0, where a, b, and c are integers to be found. And in B part, it has been asked that to find fx. So for 8a, we need to go over here at first. F prime x should be 4 root x for difference. When you differentiate fx, it would be 4 root x minus 2 minus 8 by 3x squared. It's already given in the question, f root x. F prime x, sorry. F prime x will be f root x minus 2 minus 8 by 3x squared. So f prime 4 would be when x equals to 4. 4 root 4 minus 2 minus 8 by 3 into 4 squared. 4.4 will be 35 by 6. Gradient of normal to C at P. minus 1 by m. So minus 1 divided by 35 by 6. So m2 will be minus 6 by 35. Equation of the normal to C at P, y2 minus y1 equals to m into x2 minus x1, y minus 1 equals to minus 6 by 35 into x minus 4. 35y equals to minus 6 plus 59. So the main answer will be, the final answer will be 6x plus 35y minus 59 equals to 0. That's the final state of 8a. And in 8b, y equals to fx. So f prime x equals to 4 root x minus 2 minus 8 by 3x squared. For converting from f prime x to fx, we need to integrate f prime x to bring that in the fx format. So for bringing in the fx format, integrate 4x to the power x root over x can be written as x to the power 1 by 2. So 4x to the power 1 by 2 minus 8 by 3 x to the power minus 2 dx. 4x equals to 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2x. Integrating 2 gives 2x minus 8 by 3x to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. Fx equals to 8 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 minus minus 2x plus 8 by 3x to the power minus 1 plus c. When p is given 4 comma 1, so fx means y. So y equals to 1 equals to 8 by 3, 4 to the power 3 by 2 minus 2 into 4 plus 8 by 3 into 4 to the power minus 1 plus c. So c will be 1 minus 14, c value will be minus 13. This is 8b and this is 8a. 8a. Okay, let's move on to question number 9 then. In question number 9, it has been given figure 3 shows it has been given that figure 3 shows a plot of the curve with equation y equals to sine theta. 0 is less than theta less than 360 degree. For y equals to 4 sine theta, it means 180 degree, comma 0 into 4, 180 degree, comma 0. State the coordinates of the minimum points on the curve with equation y equals to 4 sine theta. 4 sine theta means y coordinates multiplied by 4. A copy of figure 3 called diagram 1 is shown on the next page. Okay. So the coordinates would be minimum point 270, comma minus 4. As the y coordinates needs to be multiplied by 4, so minus 1 into 4 will be minus 4. So minimum point is 270 degree, comma minus 4. This is 9a. 9a, yes, 9a. Now let's move on to question number B. On diagram 1, sketch and level the curves y equals to 1 plus sine theta in the range 0 to theta less than 360 degree, y equals to tan theta in the range 0 less than theta less than 360 degree. 2 marks for this B part. 9B. Okay. B1 and B2 both are drawn into this figure. Okay. In number C, hence find the number of solutions of the equation. Number of solutions of the equation tan theta equals to 1 plus sine theta that lie in the region 0 to less than theta less than 2160. Tan theta equals to 1 plus sine theta that lie in the region 0 less than theta less than 1980 degree. It will be 12 solutions, 9C1. And here is the steps which you need to follow for finding the 12 solutions, main answer. You can take a screenshot over here for your own help. Nine C2 will be 11 solutions. And these are the graphs for y equals to 1 plus sine theta and y equals to tan theta. Okay, then move on to question number 10. A curve C has equation y equals to fx, where fx equals to x minus 4 into 2x plus 1. The curve touches the x-axis at point P and crosses the x-axis at point Q. State the coordinates of the point P. Find f prime x in number B. In number C, hence show that the equation with a tangent to the curve at the point where x equals to 5 by 2 can be expressed in the form y equals to k, where k is a constant to be found. And number D, the curve with equation y equals to f into x plus a, where a is a constant, passes through the origin O. State the possible values of a over there. So in question number 10a solution, y equals to fx. Fx can be written given that x minus 4 into 2x plus 1 whole square at x-axis where y equals to 0. 0 equals to x minus 4 into 2x plus 1 whole square, then either 2x plus 1 whole square equals to 0, x equals to minus 1 by 2, or x minus 4 equals to 0, so x equals to 4. So the coordinates of the point P would be P equals to minus 1 by 2, comma 0, or P equals to 4, comma 0. Number B, fx equals to x minus 4 into 2x plus 1 whole square, x minus 4 into a plus b whole square formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 2x square plus 2 into 2x into 1 plus 1 square. X minus 4 into 4x square plus 4x plus 1. X into 4x square plus 4x plus 1 minus 4 into 4x square plus 4x plus 1 will be the 4x cubed plus 4x square plus x minus 16x square minus 16x minus 4. So the fx will be 4x cubed minus 12x square minus 15x minus 4 f prime x 12x to the power 3 by 3 minus 1. When you differentiate fx, 12x equals to the power 3 minus 1 minus 24 to the power 24x to the power 2 minus 1 minus 15x to the power 1 minus 1. And the main answer would be f prime x equals to 12x square minus 24x minus 15. You may take a screenshot of A and B of question number 10. Question number C, we had been asked to solve that, hence show that the equation of the tangent to the curve at the point where x equals to 5 by 2 can be expressed in the form y equals to k, where k is a constant. So let's move on to question number 10C. When x equals to 5 by 2, y equals to 5 by 2 minus 4, 2 into 5 by 2 plus 1 whole square, y equals to minus 5 by 4. F prime 5 by 2 equals to 12 into 5 by 2 whole square minus 24 into 5 by 2 minus 15, which comes 0. Equation of tangent to curve at point y2 minus 54 equals to 0. X minus 5 by 2, y plus 54 equals to 0. So y equals to minus 54. And the k value would be minus 54. And wait a minute for getting number 10D, where it has been stated that the curve with equation y equals to f into x plus a, where a is a constant passes through the origin O. State the possible values of a.